My name is Francois Vogel. I do little experiments on short films or sometimes commercials. What inspires me, I don't know. I think it's something happening on the street. It can be a program I watch on TV. It can be whatever, my kids playing. The work I'm most proud of is a short movie called Trois petits chats. I've been shooting that a few years ago, and it's about distortions, and it's playing also with words. I started using After Effects about 10 years ago. It's a very simple software. It looks even like a toy when you open it, but in fact you can do really big projects. You can do work for a feature film. You can do any resolution you want, and it's very powerful. The name of the most recent film is The Moving Frames. This new film has been shot with 8 video cameras at the same time. Each camera is connected to a music instrument. So when the camera moves, it also makes the instrument play. I'm not doing cinema, it's more an experiment to watch and to think about.